This week, we have been talking about historical text. We have been learning that a historical text is an informational text that can focus on a person, place, or event from the past. Some keywords that you will want to take a closer look at are dates, names, facts, and timelines. Today, we will be specifically looking at cause and effect relationships. We will be looking at the cause is the reason why something happens, and the effect is what happens, which is an event or action that happens because of something else. So a cause and effect relationship is between multiple events. One event can have multiple causes and multiple effects, which means that they could have more than one. Some of our signal words that we will be looking for when we do cause and effect are since, because, due to, if, as a result of, so, then, leads to, consequently, therefore. Yesterday, we looked at the text Rosa Parks, and we read it. We're going to reread it today and then be looking at some cause and effect relationships using a graphic organizer. Rosa Parks is most famous for refusing to give up her seat on a bus. During Miss Parks' time, there was segregation. This meant that African Americans and white Americans were separate. They were also supposed to be equal, but things were not equal. One day, Miss Parks was sitting on a crowded bus. She was told that she had to give up her seat to white passengers. Rosa knew that it was unfair, so she refused to move. Rosa was arrested because she wouldn't give her seat up to a white passenger. Other people quickly learned of Miss Parks getting arrested. This caused many people to become angry. They boycotted or quit riding the bus. They quit riding the bus for over a year. The Supreme Court ruled that it was unconstitutional or wrong to have segregation on buses. So Rosa Parks was arrested. What cause? What was the cause? Well, the cause was that Rosa Parks would not give up her seat on the bus. What was the effect? The Supreme Court ruled that segregation was wrong, or they called it unconstitutional. Rosa was told she would have to give up her seat to a white passenger. What was the effect? Well, what did she do? She did not move and was arrested. Rosa Parks was arrested. That was the cause. The effect was it was changed, and it was determined by the Supreme Court that it was unconstitutional, or it was wrong to have segregation on the buses. People who rode the buses boycotted for a year and would not ride the bus. As a reader, I want you to go back and I want you to determine cause and effect relationships using the graphic organizer in Shobi.